Hey everybody, Mtn Grandma here. Happy New Year and welcome to our homestead. Today's video, I'm taking a walk down to our pond and I'm going to take you all along with me and we're going to have a little bit of a walk and chat. And this is part of the Walking into 2026 collaboration being hosted by Heather over at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms and Gail at Gail's Health Journey. I will have more information on that down in the description box below. So, for my first walk and chat of the new year, I wanted to make this a giveaway. So, hang out with me for just a minute. I want to share some words of encouragement, and I'm going to tell you what you got to do to make sure that you're in the giveaway from this video. So, first off, you got to watch this video. And I wanted to give encouragement, too, about, 2025, what you've gone through so far, how 2026 is going to be. So down in the comments, I want you to share with me one of your successes in 2025 and one of your challenges in 2025 and a quick goal for 2026. So do that and then I'll tell you more about how I'm going to pick the winner here in just a minute. And while I share that information with you. So for 2025, I feel like one of my successes that I'm most proud of is I lost 20 pounds. And you can't really tell a whole lot. And my clothes still fit. They're not too big or baggy on me like you really want them to be to show you lost weight. But that's okay. I got another 20 to go apparently. But I am going to applaud myself for that accomplishment because it's all about the journey, right? It's, all the efforts that we take. So that was my success. And so when you think about that, you think about your successes, give yourself credit. Every step we take, so on every step we take in this path, for example, every small effort that you make is going to bring you closer to your goal. Don't let yourself get caught up in the regular cycle of wake up, go to work harder, eat, clean yourself up, all the basics, go to bed, wake up, do it again. That's been the one thing that I try so hard to avoid is the monotony of that kind of life. And so for this reason, Lisa over at Yogi Hollow Farm and I, we do a 7F goal setting live every Tuesday. And our goal is to not just be each other's accountability buddies, but to be accountability buddies for everybody who joins that live with us or maybe even after the live is over, right? Just to motivate people to be the best they can be and to overcome all of the obstacles. And just to remind everybody, progress isn't about perfection. It's about persistence and consistency and knowing where you want to go in the first place, what you really want to accomplish. And this time of the year is a perfect time for thinking about all of those things, right? What do you want this year? What do you want to do? And that's one of the things you're going to share with me down below is what's your goal for 2026? So share that. I've got a whole bunch of them. and I'll be sharing those on our 7F goal setting live, but it's a great thing to do. Just share one goal. And I want you to start it with I can. I can. That's going to be the key word for this giveaway drawing that I'm going to do. And here's what I want you to do and what I want you to think about. Keep moving forward, even if it's just one step at a time. And sometimes this year it's going to be really easy, and sometimes this year it's going to be hard. But you're stronger than you think, and every day is a new chance to grow and shine. Even if you've taken a couple steps forward and you take a couple steps back. The next day is a new day. So seize it, right? And just remind yourself, even in times of struggles, even in times of grief, and I had grief this last year. I lost my mom right before Thanksgiving, and grief is a special word. Notice they don't say sadness because grief is so much more than just sadness. But I am faith-based. I believe in God. I believe in Jesus. I know where my mom is, and I know I'm going to see her later, but it's still, grief. You're working through that. But even in times of those kinds of times, there's opportunity. So you just need to look for it. And let me tell you, I was looking for it. I was looking for the silver lining. I was looking for, the thing to learn, right? the opportunity for improving on myself, and, you know, and I was even looking for the opportunity to make somebody else smile. Once I could not just, you know, cry my eyes out anytime somebody looked at me sideways. But then to make someone else smile, because you know what happens? When you make someone smile, they smile back. They smile back at you. And you know what that does? It makes you smile again. So try it. I'm telling you, it's how it works. It's a crazy thing. But that's my words of encouragement. That's what I got, guys. I just hope that you move into this next year feeling like you can. And that's why I want you to say it. I can. I can do whatever. I can be more successful in my YouTube channel. I can lose those pounds. I can learn that skill. I can spend more time with my family. I can make sure that I'm not on autopilot through my life. You can do all of those things, and we need to just help each other do those things. Thank you all so much for being, you know, a part of our channel and going through this YouTube journey with us. We're so grateful for each and every one of you, and let's keep walking this path together, guys. I'll share you a little bit more of my homestead, and I'm going to leave you with this and a little bit of music to check it out. And until I see you next time, everyone, again, Happy New Year's, and keep your joy, folks.